Told my daddy I'm leaving home, going off to the
I
city
only engage in
tomorrow,
transactions when the
even
gain
though
clearly
I don't know where to
surpasses
go.
the risk.
And daddy says, son, don't be a fool, cause
I
life in
follow
the
my trading
city
rules.
is unbelievable.
Wow.
You could get broken, no, you're just a little boy, and you may never find your way. And I said, I know I
Let's drop
could
in our
get
money
lost,
emojis and money bags.
I know I could get broken. Forgive
Drop in your
me,
money bags and
Father,
your
but
money
I gotta take a
emojis.
chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so just pray for me.
Right.
Pray.
Right. Okay, so yesterday we had a few setups. One of them is NZUSD. Another is gold. Right. As I yesterday, that was December 1st. This is 7 o'clock. Okay. This is where the price was yesterday. You see it? This is where price was. Now look at this is the advantage of having your zones. Remember, Madam Stella, you remember yesterday when I said patterns do not have power outside their zones. All right. This guy has not entered the zone yet. He gave a bearish engulfing candle. Some people would have sold, but yeah, they're going to lose money because it's not in the zone yet. All right. It's not in the zone yet. This is the zone. Okay. That is the zone. You can see it's a daily zone. And I put my line at the beginning and at the end. So that's what we were looking out for. But what happened instead? Price broke this, price broke it again. Price keeps breaking. And remember what I said, look for sell in this zone, not outside the zone. So when we do markup, it does not mean price must go like that. Just like NZUSD, we say if and only if, right? Say, we want the price to come down here. That's why I said, if you're not professional, don't try to sell market into the trend. No. This actually also gave you bearish engulfing candle, but you see, money was lost. All right. And if you go to the lower time frame, now look at this. This was a setup here, right? This was a setup. You had a divergence here. Price broke, all right, broke the structure, and you had a test here. But what? You lost. Why? Remember, I drew a zone above. Price has not gotten there. These two lines, all right? Price has not gotten there yet. Okay, so that's the essence. That's the essence. Now, I would have gotten again here, but I do not like what's, look at it. I was following everything back to back, back to back. I was following everything. I was following everything. But see, I wanted price to come to this place. If price breaks here, then I can sell from above because now I understand the market point. I can sell to this place, but I don't like the way market is going. And what is the market doing? Normally, right? Normally, if you are seeing consolidation, it means there's about to be a manipulation. Please take that down. Anywhere you see consolidation in the market, anywhere you see consolidation in the market, all right, a manipulation is about to occur. Anywhere you see consolidation in the market, a manipulation is about to occur. Okay, so that is what is going on here. And remember, we have NFP today, NFP news. So what I just know is I don't know what I don't know, and I don't care what direction market is going to go. But one thing is certain: people are going to cry today. People are going to lose money today, and some people are going to make money today. But the people that are going to make money are going to be very few. They are going to be very few. Now you may be asking me, why did I not take this one? If I had taken this guy here, maybe I would have been in the trade now, right? Yes, see it. I would have been in the trade now. But no, I don't like this. Look at it on 1 minute. See it on 1 minute. See it. This is like equal highs. A lot of people will be selling here. Price will come up and take them out. By experience, when you have a consolidation, price will come and take them out. So me, I'm waiting for when price will come, flush everybody out. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay. So if we have that going on, then say, because this, I just look at it here, price will definitely come. Yeah, you may think, okay, this guy has entered and you want to sell. At least maybe my stop loss, of course, like even if I refine it like this, right? If I refine this like this here, you see it now. Of course, you know that this is my type of entries, the last candle, the open of the last candle. So I would have had this, but no, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, that is not what I am looking for. Price may actually go down from here. All right, price may go down from here, but I don't like it. I want it here inside this place. I want it inside this place. All that reaction, bro, is how did they call it? Inducement or something like that. It's inducing people, right? It's making you feel as if it's going to start selling so that you can put in your money. So that's why you need to have a crystal clear rule of your entry. Okay, don't just have a kind of what do you call it? Ambiguous entries. No. So me, I'm expecting that market is going to take all these people out. That's what I'm expecting. If market is going to give me the advantages, it's not going to give me plenty lines here. No, that's not the divergence. All right. So I want a clear low, higher low, a clear higher high. That's what I want. If it's not clear, I'm not getting it. All right. So it's just like we got in here. Where was the place? Good. Okay, this one. Good. Look at it here. Let's go to 5 minutes so we can see clearly. Okay, this one is even 1 minute. So let's see it on 5 minutes. Let's see it on 5 minutes. Good. You see it, right? So see what I'm saying. Okay. I want a clear ditch, up ditch. Then price comes. Sorry, guys. Price comes, okay, and breaks. That's what I want. That is what I want to see. All right. So that's why I'm not getting into that. All right, guys, what is happening on DXY? Let's start from there. You see, we are still inside that same place, inside that same box. So, but today is NFP. NFP is going to do serious things today. All right. So look at what I was trying to tell you guys. When there is a lot of consolidation, manipulation will happen. See as this guy went up, as if he's going to be buying bullish engulfing, and he came down. All right. So wherever you have consolidation, there is bound to be manipulations. So we are still in the range. This is daily. Let's see the weekly. Okay. Dollar is weak. Dollar is weak. If dollar is weak, it means USD JPY, USD CHF, USD CAD, they will also be weak. All right. Now it means AUD USD, NZD USD will be buying. You see now that it's dangerous to be selling NZD USD. All right. So that was why we had the setup that we want to buy NZD USD. That was what we had. See, we want to buy, but we want to buy from here. We want to buy from here. Okay. So NZD USD, AUD USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, they will all be buying. So, but they will be buying according to different structures because their quote currency is different. Sorry, their base currency is different. Their quote currency is the same, which is the USD, but their base currency is different. So they'll be buying according to the strength or the weakness of their base currency. But just know that anything USD will be buying and USD anything should be selling. All right. So that's what we're looking at. Now, guys, drop in your pair. Let's look at them. Drop in the pair you want us to look at together this morning, and let's see them. What pairs do you want me to look at? Okay, like I wrote, I said, look for buy, sell if and only if price comes here. All right, good. Okay, bring it on. AUD USD. Oh, someone to say AUD USD, nice. AUD USD. Correct. You see? GPY. Okay, we have AUD USD, we have AUD USD, GJ, UJ, and US 30. Okay. N card. Okay, so that's going to be the 5 that we're going to be looking at. All right, guys, you see, I had this already, like, when was that? And I said the same thing. Look at it. Where there is what's consolidation, you're going to have manipulation. Manipulation is going to happen here. You can't stop it. It must happen. You said, so now I said price is going to go up, come down. The price will go up. See where I drew the line here. Since when November 29th, price will go up, come down, which was exactly what happened. Price went up, came down, and went into, start going into the zone. All right. And what are we looking for? Okay, I'm looking for a sell in this place. All right. I'm looking for, so this is number 1. It has to take all these guys out, which it did. Look at number 2. It has to get into this place. All right. It has not gotten there yet, but it's in the outer part of the zone, but I wanted to get to the inner part of the zone. Man, do people wake up with hunger? It's like I woke up with hunger this morning. So that's AUD guys. AUD. That's what we're looking at. All right. AUD. Generally, okay, 4 hours. All right. This zone was daily, but this my line is 4 hours line. Okay. So it has not given you any sell, what do you call it? Sell setup. It has not, even if you use indicators. You see, until this guy breaks below, you are not permitted to sell yet. If you want to do the price trap, kind of, you wait till it breaks this place below, break and retest. Okay, but I think it will still go up a little bit. I don't know where it will stop. I don't know where to stop. All right, but this guy seems to be going up. He seems to be going up. So I may favor this area here. For it to go up. Since it didn't go up as much as we want, okay, let me refine this. Since it didn't go up as much as we want, 2 things. If you want to sell inside the zone, or not inside the zone, like let it give you a sell pattern from here. If you are the type that likes lower time frame, then go to your lower time frame and the sell. Right? But where this is conflicting is that the weekly is showing sell. See, lower lows, lower highs, right? That's what the weekly is showing. So what are we expecting? Expecting it to sell. All right. But at the same time, there was a demand zone here. There was a demand zone here. And that demand zone has been tested. That demand zone has been tested. So is price going to come down again, or price is just going to go up from there? Because we have a what? Have a head and shoulders. Weekly head and shoulders, no be small thing. What if price decides to go to the neckline first? Which is this? What if price decides to go to this place? Okay, the same way it was coming down here, it got to this point and it started moving back up. So what if price start moving back up the same way? So look at what you have on the daily. On the daily, you are having what? Higher highs and higher lows. See, that's what you have on the daily. What if it does something like this and continue going up? All right. See the main place here. Ah, so you have somewhere around 1,200 pips. So what if that's what happened? Okay. So, but let's watch and see. What is my bias? I would have loved to sell from this place, but right now, this is giving us a buy momentum. This is giving us a buy momentum. Actually, it's giving us a buy momentum. Why is it giving us a buy momentum? Because dollar is falling down. I cannot be selling AUD USD. It's just simple logic and common sense. That's why I cannot be selling. I would have loved to sell. All right. I would have loved to sell. It's in a supply zone. But if truly sellers are waiting here, then why are they consolidating? If truly sellers are waiting, anywhere where buyers they where sellers they know they waste and see, pow, they'll come out. Higher they come back and test, they'll start moving. If it is sellers that are in a place, see now, they know they waste and look at this one. Immediately, pew, they will come down. They will leave that area. They can be consolidating later. So if truly, guys, that's one of the secrets that I use. If truly sellers are here, if truly they are here, why are they consolidating? Why are they not selling immediately? Why are they not selling? So that's a question you need to know about market behavior. It's not just about your strategy, but how is market reacting to that your strategy? Why then go they delay for you? Person will go do something, no go announce what he go do. If he talks, say he go beat you, he go kill you. He probably won't even do it. So why is market announcing here that we are gathering people's order? So we want to know who is strong, whether it's the buy or the sell. Man, like this is a lot of confusion here. As if I know. You go to your daily now, you will not see 20 places. Okay. So, guys, to be on the safer side, it's better you go with the trend. Yes, this is a bigger trend here for sell, but this is also the immediate trend. So if this is dicey, Okay, so at this point now, if I were the one, I will not trade this. If it's me personally, I'm not going to trade a sell. Or this is what I'm going to do. If it gets into this line and I see a sell setup, I will sell. I will sell until I get into this place and I'll take out some profits and I'll be waiting to see what market will do. If it is me, that's what I'll do. I already had this markup since last week or so maybe. I will wait. When price enters into this area, into this dotted dash lines, all right, I'm going to look for a sell setup and I will sell. Because I'm going to enter on 5 minutes or on 1 minute, I will not be waiting for a long. So like this AUD USD, all right. So let's see if I'm selling from here. I'll be looking for maybe 10 pips. Yeah. So if I'm getting into that's like 16, right? Like gold pip that I had 6.2 pips on gold. No, was it gold? No, no, no. It's not gold. Is it NZUSD? I had 6.2 pips. Sorry, it's UJ. It's UJ. Yeah, UJ that gave us 1:31. All right. So I had just 6.2 pips. And this is 80 USD. All right. If I had like 10 or let's say 6 pips. Okay. So with a small stop loss, I can make more. Even if the market did not get to this place, at least 1:10, 1:6, 1:5, it's way better. Okay. So that's why I wanted to enter the zone properly. You understand? So that's my bias, guys. I must be sincere with you. I do not like what is happening to AUD USD. All right. Dollar is clearly losing strength. Okay. Let's check treasury rates. Let's check the treasury rate. Look at treasury rate is 3.55. Guys, the treasury rate has been dropping 4.22, 4.14, 4.12, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.8, 3.7. Now, yesterday is 3.5. 3.5. This is telling us that the interest rate that is generated on the US Treasury bill is dropping. Why? The economy is getting weaker. It's either they are weakening it by themselves or it is nature of economics or the cycle of economics because recession is coming. Like 2023 is going to be a recession. Guys, I want to promise you that 2023 is a year that it will be like Corona. You understand? It's not that a pandemic is coming, no, but there's going to be recession, right? Like 2008, market's going to crash, and you will make a lot of money if you are trading forex, because forex, whether market is crashing or not, you are making money either selling or buying. So just learn everything you need to learn, master anything you need to master. You understand? Register for sessions if you need to. Get back to the person that sent this link to you if you need to. 2023, there's a lot of money to be made because market is going to be going crazy, right? So if this economy is going down, it means that AUD US is going to be going up. Fine, let me quickly find something. Let me find something. Yes, ma'am, you're welcome. You're welcome. That's why we're here. That's why we're here. Let me find something. Let's check. Guys, you see what I'm saying? You see, this is AUD. This is Australia. Uh, correct. I've been looking for how to do a double this thing since man. Come on, that's why they happy like this. So guys, I have yellow. So let me just quickly do this, guys. I have yellow and I have red, right? So I'm not doing bid and ask. Appearance is solid. It's gonna be what? It's gonna be black, all right? So my watermark, my text is going to be, what color is my text here? Blue. Okay. Let me check it quickly. Let me check it quickly. Man, when I don't know how to take happy like this one. Okay, on the beat, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. Okay. Ooh, sheesh. You would not understand 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. You won't understand how happy I am, guys. You will not understand how happy I am. Did I even save the template? The agent. Really? That's it now. That's it. Okay, so let me take out the indicators. Get out. Okay, guys. Now, now we are here. This is when I start doing analysis. Okay, so what am I doing? Let's see. I think you can see my screen larger now, right? This is USD card. Okay, so what we're looking for is AUD USD. All right, so let's go to AUD USD. Now, first of all, let's do the XY here. Good. Guys, see, this is AUD, that's Australia index. The way we have dollar index, we have Australia index. But I don't see them. Are you seeing it? You see that dollar Australia index is what is going up. Why dollar index is doing what is coming down. So what are you going to do to AUD USD? This is AUD and this is USD. AUD is going up, USD is coming down. Guys, talk to me. What are you supposed to do if you want to trade AUD USD? Type into the chat box. What are you supposed to do if you want to trade AUD USD, guys? Type into the chat box. Type into the chat box. Just two people. I need more response. I need more response. AUD is going up. USD is coming down. All right. Type into the chat box. Okay, good, good. But now, look at the character. See, man, I love the market. AUD USD is giving you what? Sorry, Australia is giving you lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. It's breaking the structure, right? It's breaking the structure. It's breaking the structure and it's consolidating, right? But look at this guy. This guy is a bit form. This guy just came down here, and right now it's just what? It's consolidating. See the difference between the two. This guy is obviously going up, but this guy is consolidating. Why? Because NFP is affecting the dollar. So this guy is just getting prepared for the NFP. All right. So that's concerning that. So now let's now look at, let me look at this guy on this place. Let me look at this guy on this place. Here, let me look at AUD. Okay, on 1 hour. Guys, see AUD, see the index of AUD, see AUD. Is there any difference? No difference. So we're expecting that price is going to maybe price will come back to this place. We don't know yet. This demand zone here, which is almost the same thing as price. You know what? Coming back to also what? This demand zone here. Okay. So that's what we're looking at. All right. That's what we're looking at. So that's my bias, guys, on AUD USD. Look for a buy setup. All right. Look for a buy setup. Okay. Look for a buy setup. Then the next one we have is what? GJ. Almost. I don't have my. Sometimes I even leave trades on. So right now, okay. So now, okay, good. This is the type of what I was trying to tell you, right? This is what? This is a particular zone. Okay. I want to sell it. Now, when price got to this point, so let me bring it back up. Price got here. It's very simple. What I did is what I usually do, and it's what I've been telling you guys. Don't be saying anything. You understand? So you see, price has entered into the zone. Okay. Give the first low, the first high, the second one. All right. Then what happened? Price now broke. Price broke. Right. You had the divergence, and price is what price broke. So what did I use? I used this one. Okay. So bam. That's all. That's what I'm saying. If price wants to drop, price will drop. If it doesn't want to drop, it won't drop. Okay. So that's how this was achieved. So GJ right now. GJ right now, allow price to get to this place because if you look at the daily, or let's even look at the weekly. Daily. Okay. You see this on the daily. Let's see if price is going to get to the zone. Yes, this place. It's already in the middle right now. I'm not going to trade it. It's in the middle. It's in the middle of no man's land. It's in the middle of the ocean. If it was at the beginning here, fine. And if it's at the bottom here, if it was at the beginning here, or if it's at the bottom, all right, it would have been better. But this guy is just at the middle. So GBP, GPY, wait until it gets to the bottom. That's what you're going to do. Wait till it gets to this point. When it gets here, yes, then you know what else to do. Okay. And the next one is UJ. Now, I love UJ because we took profit on UJ and UJ reversed immediately. See the same thing with UJ. You know, remember I said all what's the name? USD will be selling and the counter this thing we buy. So this is them here. All right. We took some sell, we took a buy here. This is where we got 1:31. You may see that this is just a small something new. We got 1:31 here. All right. So now it's in the zone. What zone is this? Is this the daily or the weekly? Okay, this looks like the daily. No, let me see clearly. This is the weekly zone. You see how this week is, today is Friday, wow, and see how this guy is so bearish. So guys, I'm going to advise stay away from this market. You don't know if it's going to drop low or it's going to reverse. Don't predict. Do not predict. Yesterday, look at this. This is like a Marubozu. There is no wick above. We have the Marubozu top and the Marubozu bottom. All right. Then there's a small wick below. Just a small wick. But the entire candle is selling. So there was no part of yesterday that people were buying. People were buying inside, but we started by selling and we closed by selling. So that's very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Okay. So dangerous. Want to go to your 4 hours, you're gonna have the same thing. You're having a sell. Price has not recovered from this massive drop. Right? So I don't have a setup here. I would have preferred if market is having a lower lows, a lower highs. Something like this, and somebody will tell me it's a divergence. Yes, it is. I don't need to look at it, I know. All right. But see, these are not the kind of divergences you want. Okay. Now, let me take this out first. No, sorry, this one. But did the market move back from here? Market did not move. Market did not move. So that becomes invalid. I'm not taking the trade. But now here that looks like it. That's why we need confirmation. Here that looks like it, right? And what happened? Market also broke this structure. So you think that I don't see the evidence. You don't see market break structure. I'm going to use the last candle. So you now place your entry here, guys. You will be happy with this move first. Why did this price not go? Look at it. It's very simple. See it. Now, let me show you something. Here. Was it overbought? It's not. It is 31. It's not, but it's inside. And this one is what? 23. So that becomes invalid. What you want to have is, as this one is going down, this one is going up. But no, that's not what you have. This one is going down. This one too is going down. See it. So that makes this trade invalid until you see that this guy is coming down and this other one is going up. That is when you can say you have a divergence. Then you will now wait for a break. You will now wait for a break. And after that break, all right, then you're going to be looking for your end. So this is a good setup here, but the divergence did not confirm it. The RSI did not confirm it. That's why it kept going low. And now I can promise you something again, that this is going to take people out. All right? It's going to take people out. It's going to take a lot of people out. And it's even risky to buy at this point because of what NFP is doing. But let's see what market is going to do. All right. This is what USD JPY. United States open. What time does New York open? 1 o'clock. All right. So wait. By 1 o'clock, if you can get on your system, look at what the market is doing. You can find an entry either to buy or to sell. But this is a dangerous zone. All right. It's a dangerous zone. Okay, guys. One more. Okay. US 30. Dow Jones US 30. Okay, let me put it here. This guy is being make US 30 has been giving us a selling momentum before. All right. But you see what I'm trying to say, right? This guy broke the structure here, but he came and broke this one. Now he's coming to break this one. So what exactly is market doing? What exactly is market doing? So if you put your lower time frame, let's start from the monthly time frame. We'll see clearly. What is market doing? See, this is where market came from. Here, so no blame up. It came from this monthly demand zone. All right, let's see if we have 3 months. 3 months. Okay, exactly. See, this area. That's where market came from. Okay. So, and price rose up from there. From there, let's see it, guys. See what? More. You see, this is why it's good for you to just check higher time frame. Man. All right, higher time frame, man. Look at what it gave you guys here. If you go to, I can bet you this is a setup here. I can bet you. See perfect setup. Oh my god. You take. See now. This is divergence now. See why you know call these persons, man. My God. And see perfect set of break of structure. Where did he come back to? Yes. Where did he come back to? Your last candle before the up move. See it. The last candle before the up move, man. Ooh, imagine 12 pips on US 30. QTech. Yeah. And see where we are now. 1 is to what? 1 is to 45. That move happened last week. I'm telling you, like that's what I'm saying. Like sometimes I don't even have time to check the chart because of how busy I am. Okay, like I know they get the time. Now let's check something here. Let's check something, guys. See, you see that this is what will always happen. It must take out some people here, people that want to be buying at this point, people that don't understand the market. They will also be thinking that there's another divergence here, which actually happened. See, it actually happened. All right, it actually happened, and it also market share. It also broke, but the bigger one will always win, guys. The bigger one will always win. Yes, you may make small money, but since guy will wipe you come out. Understand that was what I said concerning UJ. UJ had a bigger zone below, so this one too had a bigger zone below. There's a zone here. There is a zone here. Yes, you might have lost money. Look at this now. If you did this one as a divergence, it broke this high, you came, see, you bought small. Let's say you just do 1:1 here and market hit you out. You broke even, 0. This one, all right, you bought small. You also do 1:1. You broke even, 0. But here now, market went in. See, if markets they do what they call a consolidation, it no go move. Guys, I spend some time in this market. If it will move, Pia, it will move. If we go move, it go move. If market know they move, give yourself peace, get out. Or just reduce your lot size. I've showed you how to reduce it. All right. I've showed you how to reduce it. Okay. So sorry, a call came in. All right, guys. So now, and how did we get this thing? It's for monthly time frame. See it. It's for monthly time frame. Why? This guy is going up. He broke this structure. He came back to test this place. This is a demand zone. We now went to daily, and the demand zone be that. We went to, and this even 1 hour. I am sure, guys, if we had gone to 5 minutes, I'm sure if we had gone to 5 minutes, we would have crazy entry. Like crazy entry. If we had gone to 5 minutes. I just hope we can have it. Fine. If we had gone to 5 minutes, we would have crazy entry. Ah, this is where it stopped. Understand? So that was it. This is the first what do you call it? Pickup that we had. All right. See, even if you entered on this one here, on this last candle here, okay, because mostly it's at the bottom. But even if you are impatient, enter at this one, you go make small money. Let's say 1:1. Okay, okay, I'm gonna do that. But see, market must, I tell you, say if guys, men are they listen to me? Oh. I told you that where there is consolidation, you must have what? Manipulation. See, after consolidation, people say, oh, it go buy, it go buy, it go buy, it go buy, it go buy. Almost see what's happen. Oh. See what's happen. Oh. I don't talk finish. Let's look at the last pair, which is a N card before I answer your question, Michael. NZD card. Do I have NZD card here? Let me put it on. All right, NZD card. What's the monthly saying? Omo. Okay, okay, okay. We are supposed to be selling this guy, right? We're supposed to be selling this guy. We are at a point where we should be selling right now. See, we're at a point where we should be selling right now. Here. Remember, this is the same place where NZD USD2 was. Okay, but this is monthly. Let's go to the weekly. See the way this guy is moving. Wait. This is it, right? The weekly. Let's go to the daily. What happened yesterday? Man, this guy is not ready to sell yet. Okay, so you see it. So car. Man, nice. So guys, my advice is that wait. Okay. Make I do one thing now. Make I put Ichimoku now. Because Ichimoku will give you a perfect entry on this. Like you see, you does it buy, they go, does it buy, they go. I know that's what we're about. See, does it buy, they go. So you have no reason right now to sell. The buy is gone, it's gone, Otilo. So just look away. Look away from this guy, Kawhi. Look away. Except if he begins to give you a sell setup. But outside that, brother, look away. All right, so let me treat questions right now. I'm hungry. Really hungry. Okay, someone is asking. Some of us are aggressive with our entry. And we sometimes don't wait for retest on the divergence. What is your advice on that? Question 2. It's giving divergence on 1 hour already, just waiting to confirm it. Okay. Now, I'm going to teach you a kind of divergence that hardly fails. But I won't be teaching you here. I'll be teaching you on the other side. Now, why did I say that? Because it's not all divergence that are divergent. All right? If you think, okay, on the 1 hour, why do you call this a divergence? It's because you are not waiting for confirmation. So the answer to your question is, I don't have advice for you. If entering without a retest is giving you money, guy, continue it. Because your nature is a scalper. You like just to get into the market and get out. Okay? That's why we have what they call a breakout strategy. It's not everybody that waits for pullback. And it's not all the time that market will do pullback. Market may not do pullback. Not every time market will do pullback. If market is moving with heavy momentum, it's not going to pull back. It's not going to pull back. All right. So if you are comfortable, it is you that needs to feel comfortable. Remember what we said. I am going to follow my trading rules. All right. And I'm in a good mood to make the right trading decisions. If you feel good about this trade, man, let's go. I am having this. Don't because AA James is waiting for retest to now enter. And you see that I missed a lot of trade because I'm waiting for retest. Sometimes if I wait for retest, market will, in trying to come back, it will spark me up or spark me down. But you that you took the breakout of that divergence, you will have maybe 1:2 or 1:3. While me, I'm waiting for the retracement. And the retracement will just take me out. So it has advantage, it has disadvantage. All right. So there's no one that is 100%. Okay. So if it makes you money and you feel good about it, then that's okay. That's the essence of backtesting and of demo. All right. That's the essence of backtesting and of demo. Any question again? You're welcome. You're welcome. Any more questions? Let's ask questions, please. Okay, how many pips can price go before we say Otilo? Now, it depends. We don't look in number of pips. We look about the strategy. No. You can't give up on retest. For example, now look at this. The strategy here is that if it breaks above the cloud, you buy. And this guy broke above the cloud. He didn't give you retest. He just low immediately. He just went immediately. If you are risking now, if you risk 1%, this is 3%. It gave you 3%. 3% before it even tried to retest. Did you retest back to your entry? No. So people that are trading breakout, they would have made 3%. So if they put you on $100, they would have made $300 here. You are still waiting for the test. Retest is the price is coming back to a particular area that you want it to come back to. Support and resistance, guys. Look at this. Price broke this resistance. See it. Price tested once, tested twice, broke it. Price retested the same zone and went back up. You see? Look at this one, give a retest. Let's say enter from this candle, this money star. All right. Price give you what? Like 3:4. Yeah. Price give you like 3:4. Because why? You wasted for retest. If you didn't wait for retest also, what will price do? Price would have come inside your stop loss, though it will not touch you, but your heart will not be beat. And you are only going to have what? 3%. But the person that waited for a retest got what? Got 4%. Or it even depends on how you entered. All right. So the theory of retest is that allow price to go. Let price come and do you a final goodbye. It's just like maybe your friend is traveling, is now packing his things into the car. The fact that he's packing out of the house into the car does not mean he's going immediately. No. After they have loaded the car, they will still do what? They will come back to say final goodbye, or they come back and pray. That prayer is where you now put your money. That prayer, that final goodbye is the retest. That's why people will now be crying and be saying, oh, don't go, don't go. Or the fact that a bus leaves the park, the coming is going. It will go and turn and go to a filling station. Once he buys the fuel from the filling station, OT learning, okay? But if it does not come back, don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. All right? So that's the idea. Hope you understand. So we don't count the number of pips because pips are different. This is New Zealand and Canadian dollar. You're right. Japanese yen has its own measurement of pips. 2 candles in New Zealand dollar, or sorry, 1 candle in Japanese yen in GJ pounds, and 1 candle can be 200 pips. And maybe 10 candles here has not even given you 200 pips. So you can't count the number of pips. All right. So this is another retest that happened here. Though it didn't happen properly. Okay, it did. Look at it. Look at this retest. Only dropped a week, but this retest dropped a body. So it varies. That's why you need proper tutoring to master this thing. You know, market no go happen once. As it will not happen the same setup all the time. No. This is the same strategy. Break and retest, break and retest, right? Break and retest. It's the same strategy, but it will not happen in the same pattern. Yeah, it will happen in the same pattern. All right, one more question before I go, guys. One more question. One more question. All right, guys, in the absence of question, today is Friday. I will be teaching today on how to use the trading view. How to use the trading view by 8 p.m. Wherever you got this link from, you're going to get a link from the same place, all right?